In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Flame Arrow in Curse Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use the Flame Arrow move in Curse Arena. So first, you will have to charge your Awakening Bar as the King of Curses. So go over to Characters and you will be able to play as the King of Curses. Once you do enough damage to other dummies or opponents, you will be able to fill out this bar and you will be able to awaken King's Dominance by pressing G. Once you do this, you will see this animation play out, and now you will be ready to do Flame Arrow in Cursed Arena. So it is going to do a lot of damage to everyone around you, and you will see that the second ability that we have is going to be Flame Arrow. So we have Cleave, Flame Arrow, Dismantle, and Domain Expansion. So all that we have to do is go ahead and press 2. Then, once you press 2 and highlight the move, just go ahead and tap on the screen or click, and you will be able to see the Flame Arrow animation. So this is what it looks like, and you will be able to pierce the arrow into someone else. It is going to crack the ground, do a lot of area of attack damage, and of course you can also use your other moves. So this is what Dismantle looks like. This is what Cleave looks like. It is a very flashy animation. It's going to make your screen shake, and you will be able to use Flame Arrow again once it is off cooldown. Of course, at the end, we also have Domain Expansion, so I'm just going to use Flame Arrow one more time to show you how it looks. As you can see, I basically did roughly 32 damage to all of these dummies here, and then we can use Domain Expansion. So this is how the animation looks like. And you will be able to use all of these moves as the King of Curses, as long as you fill out your Awakening Bar and you use them. You will be able to see the animation, you will be able to do damage, and if all you want is to use Flame Arrow, then that's all you have to do. Choose the second ability after you are done awakening, and you will be able to get it done. As you saw, you are able to use it multiple times, you just have to wait for it to go off of cooldown, and whenever you are done with the awakening form, you can just fill out the bar again and repeat the process to use all of the abilities over and over. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Flame Arrow in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.